So, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this object in Solidworks software. So at first I'm taking the new file. Okay, select the MMGS, taking the front plane, go to the extruded boss and taking the line command. Okay, then I'm going here to here, then I'm going and come to the initial point again, go and come to the initial point again, go and come to the initial point again and curve it. Okay, done. Then right button is click, select and right button is click, again line command is taken and draw from here to here, then go up to this point, go and come to the initial point and curve it. Okay, done. Go and come to the initial point. Okay, done. Then go and come to the initial point. I'm not taking it. Okay, I'm selecting it. Then I'm going here, taking the line command again and select this point, go and come to the initial point, curve it. Okay, done. Then I'm taking the line from here, go and up to this point, I'm going here and go. Then again I'm coming to this point, again go here. Okay, I'm zoom it. Okay, going here and curve it. Okay, done, and click. Then right button is select. Okay, then I'm selecting the trim entities, click here. Okay, done. Then I'm taking it 5 millimeters. You're watching it. Then extruded boss is select again, click on the surface, Control 8. Then I'm taking the circle here, it will be 5 millimeters radius. Then linear extension is selected and click on this portion and it will be 5. Okay, exit it and it will be up to 5 millimeters. Okay, done. Then you are watching it. I'm taking this color. Okay, going here, select this materials and taking this color. Okay, I'm going here again, taking this color for all section. I'm taking this color, so I'm taking this one, again I'm taking this one. Okay, this color is selected. You are watching it. Thank you everybody for watching this video. You can watch it. I think you are enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.